Hey, it's Andrew from ShopSmith again. Coming up on May 5th, I'm going to be recording a Q&A and an update on the business for everyone in the ShopSmith community. The reason I want to record it is to give you an opportunity to send me your questions. So if you've got a chance, go to the comments below and ask any questions that you want. You can also go to our official Facebook group, the ShopSmith group there, and ask those questions. And I'll be leaving something there for you to do that with. If you leave the questions there, I'll try to answer as many as possible. If there's some of the questions are the same, obviously I'll group them together. And if you've got a question you don't want your name attached to it, feel free to DM me or email me on either format, and we'll try to include those also. We'll also be doing a quick update where we are in production with the great success of our Silly Pencil project and how some people didn't quite get the joke, but everyone else thought it was pretty funny. It is our left-handed, right-handed pencil and sharpener. If you want one, let us know. It was just a goof for April Fools. Also, I'll be explaining why I have this in my hand and what it means to future production. If we're almost completely back in full production of marks and headstocks, we'll give you that update with Q&A. Please feel free to leave those questions, and I really look forward to answering them and reaching back out to everyone. Thanks so much to everyone who's watching and for all the support of the new ShopSmith's USA. We're on track. Things are going very well, and we'll continue to get better. Have a great day, everybody. Full of your budgets.